Hi there, I'm Zach and I'm here to show you around Scourhead. Scourhead is an open source agentic AI tool that streamlines your online research. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll have to do is to set up the Olama tool. This is an open source framework for running large language models on your device, and it's really easy to set up. You just download and start the app. If you haven't done that yet, then the app here will warn you and show you exactly what you need to do. But I've already done it, so you can see I've got that green icon here, which means I'm good to go. Next, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. And I'm going to walk you through the example in the GitHub repo. So I'm going to go and double click on that file. Once you're into the project, the first thing that you do is you explain the goal just like you would tell it to another person. So in this example, I'm an aspiring visual artist and I'm looking for galleries in the Miami area to be able to pitch their management team so they can showcase my work. And you can type in what that goal is here. Then Scourhead comes up with some query ideas of what to search for. And you're still in control. Just because the AI came up with some suggestions, you can make modifications. You can delete something, you can add in something new, you can change whatever you'd like in here. It's all editable. Then you can design what you'd like to see in the spreadsheet. So the name field will be the columns across the top of your spreadsheet, and the description tells the AI what to look for on each page that it visits to be able to get that information and put it in the sheet for you. And finally, the required field is there because sometimes things are more important than others. So if a field is so important and you want to just leave the whole row out if it's not able to be found, then mark it as required. If you mark something as not required, the AI will still try to fill it in if it can, but it may be empty if it's not able to figure it out. Then it runs for a while and gives you the search results. Because this is the example file that's in the GitHub repo, the search is already run. If you're doing this for the first time, it takes a while to get here, a few minutes. If it's a lot, maybe it's a few hours. And you can scroll through and look at all the different pages that it's come up with. And then the last step is to actually do the scouring, where it visits each of those search results and then runs the AI and extracts the information out. So you can see each of the columns I've defined earlier are here. The information is pulled out in here. You can scroll through and preview it. If you want to take a look, you can click on the link and it'll pull up that page. And when you're all done, you can export it out into a CSV file, and then from there do whatever you need with it. You can import it into Google Sheets, you can import it into your CRM. It's yours for the taking. So enjoy.